In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid in MetaTrader 5. If you've ever opened a chart in MetaTrader 5 and felt that the background grid lines are a bit distracting, you're not alone. Many traders prefer a cleaner, simpler chart so they can focus on price action, indicators, and patterns without visual clutter. The good news is that turning the grid on or off is extremely simple, and once you know where it is, it only takes a second. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and at least one chart visible on your screen. You can use any symbol or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Now, move your mouse cursor over the chart where you see the grid lines. Click anywhere inside the chart area. The goal here is just to make the chart the active window so that MetaTrader knows this is the chart you want to change. You don't need to click on a candle or a specific price level. A simple left click in any empty part of the chart background is enough. After you click, you should notice that this chart is highlighted as active, usually with a slightly more visible border or tab at the top. With the chart now active, you're ready for the next part, which is turning the grid off. There are a couple of ways to do this, but they all come down to the same command, the grid toggle. One very common way is to right-click directly on the chart background to open the context menu. When that menu appears, look for the option labeled Go Grid. This option controls whether those vertical and horizontal grid lines are visible. To remove the grid, simply click on Grid once. The moment you do this, the grid lines should disappear, leaving you with a clean, uncluttered chart. If you ever decide that you want the grid back, you don't need to change any deep settings. Just repeat the same action. Right-click on the chart, click Grid again, and the grid lines will reappear. Think of it as a simple on-off switch for your background lines. That's all there is to it. By clicking on the chart to make it active, and then clicking on